Whip game was good. It's your boy B Ferris with another video. Look, today I'm doing that engine cover red to match the car. And I just hope it turns out good. Let's get it. So the stock cover. So let's spray this and make it look better. So based on the reviews, I gotta take this off. 4 screws on each, well 2 screws on each side. This one, that one, same on each side. And those should be 10 millimeters. So I got my 10 here, so let's try it. Don't want to lose those. Do the same on the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful to leave it in there so they won't fall on me. I'm gonna get those out real quick. Alright, got the 4 screws out. And they said this right here is kind of tricky. Said it's easier for the passenger side, so I'm gonna stick a flathead in here and try to get this popped off. Alright, so I would just put a flathead down in here. Try to get that closer. Flathead in here, just pull up on it. The wire comes out. And engine covers off. So that's the real look of that 6.2 liter V8 in the C8 Corvette, the mid-engine. Get this cleaned up. So now I'm about to tape off everything on the engine cover that I don't want painted. I already cleaned it up pretty good, so I just got done cleaning up the engine cover. About to put the tape on now. Got the pieces masked off. Got my compressor. I'm gonna just blow a little bit of the rest of the dust back off. Alright, so we got everything ready. I got a primer. Should withstand up to 500 degrees. And then I got 2 cans of the red, bright red, that should be close to the torch red of the C8. So I'm gonna let this dry for maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna do another coat, and then I'm gonna start with the red. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. First coat then dried, so about to go ahead and get a second coat started. See how it turns out. That thing is looking good right now. Think I'm gonna do one more coat once this dries. Yeah, looks good to me. So I'm gonna let it dry for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna peel off the tape. So that should still be silver and that's gonna be black, but I might come back and paint that sooner or later, but I love it. All right, engine cover is dry. Try to find where to peel to take these off. Hopefully it's not too much overspray. So far so good. Oh yeah. It's a little bit I might get out with some alcohol. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm very satisfied with the outcome. Very satisfied. So let's get this put back on. It turned out amazing. Amazing, yes.